Hello, this is Daniel, and today I am going to be showing you how to set up your curtains in the Supra-Touch. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the menu here and go to Settings, and then I will go to Staged Ventilation and then Curtain Settings. In here, I've got my inlet number 2 that is a curtain. So this is an actuator that does not have feedback, and we call those curtains. So we've got a couple of different settings here. The first setting is the set point. So that's going to be our target temperature that we are looking to keep our barn at. Our idle band is the plus or minus temperature on that set point where our curtains are not going to move. So right now, I'm just actually going to move this up to 68. Oops. Okay. So they're at 68 degrees with a 2-degree idle band. That means between 66 degrees and 70 degrees, our curtains are not going to move at all. Then I have the option for open and closed. So first let's set the open. So for the open, we can set the run duration in minutes and seconds, as well as the idle duration. We'll set the run duration for 30 seconds. So if the temperature is above 70 degrees, it's going to turn on our curtains and open for 30 seconds. And then it's going to wait for 2 minutes, and then it's going to read the temperature again. If it's still too hot, it's going to open again. If it's now within our idle band, so below that 70 degrees, it's just going to stay. If it cools off, if it gets too cool, let's set up our close. So let's actually, maybe we want it something like this. So for closing, we're actually just going to run for 20 seconds, and then we're going to wait 2.5 minutes before we check the temperature again. So you can adjust your run and idle duration for both the close and the open, and you'll want to play around with those just to get the operation that you want from your curtains, depending on the motor that you have, depending on how often you want it moving. You may want to adjust the duration for your run duration as well as your idle duration. So you'll have to play around with that for your specific curtains, but either way, that is the basics of setting up your settings for curtains in the Supra-Touch. I'll see you guys in the next video.